Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am currently in my little sanctuary, my little nail corner in my basement. It is almost 9 p.m. and my little one is asleep. My husband is doing I don't know what. I do have 2 out of 3 dogs down here in the basement with me, so hopefully they won't be too annoying. But I wanted to do a little, I say little, a big nail haul. I have collected stuff for the past, I think, 2 months, and they've been sitting on boxes. I am ready to share with you guys so that I can start playing with them. And I'm going to start off by apologizing for these atrocious nails. I haven't had my nails done in like 2 weeks. I have been traveling for work, and I have a layer of hard gel on top of it, but it really needs some work. I was planning on doing it today, right now actually, but since it's a little quiet right now, I decided let me just film. I have been wearing this makeup for over 12 hours now, so if I look a little disheveled, I apologize. I even have coffee right now. It's iced coffee. Okay, let me get started. I have these nail tips from Young Nails. There was a sale and I got these for under 10 bucks. This is the full cover coffin nail tips 500 pack with nail glue. The whole overhang camera thing, I just can't seem to figure it out. So we are going to just do the old-fashioned way. So these are the tips. This is what I'm talking about. I didn't want to do this. These are the nail tips. They are long coffin. I got stiletto as well. Let me just pull one out. These are gonna be cool. I haven't tried the stiletto. Ugh, I don't even want to zoom into my nails. These are full cover almond nail tips. Okay. See, I like this box. Oh, I don't know what box I like. I like this because I don't know if you can tell the numbers are etched on the lid, whereas the other ones are not. And then this one is all pink almond. I got some grapes. Okay, what's next? Okay, so in this box, I have a mix of Sweetie Nail Supplies. They just had their summer 25% off, so I picked up a couple things. I had 2 boxes, and then I also picked up D&D nail polishes from, what's it called? Beyond Polish. I love picking up D&D from there because they're inexpensive, and you can get the 2-pack. As you can see, my D&D collection. I'm sorry, I'm talking my mouth full. So this is 007 Canadian Maple. This is 2542 Untamed. This is 223 Star Student. This is 2512 Mint to Be. I have this one. I already have this one. How did I do this twice? I have 859 Vintage Lace. I got 296 Little Pink Me Up. I got 001. This is Icy Glitz, so this is like a silver glitter. I got 795. This is Supernova. So you can see that I have a couple of blues because my daughters, they like blue. So got them a variety of blue shades. I have Wedding Veil 863. I have 745. This is Honey, a yellow. I meant to use these for summer, and summer's already over. And And then this one is Seashell, $2.40. Let me swatch those real quick. So I already have 2 swatched. Sorry guys, I had put these away already. So this one is 241. Beautiful green shade. Look at this. And then this one is 321, which is this one. So those are the D&D polishes that I got. Okay, so and these are the nail lacquers that came with it. So like you can see the true color. These are not gel. Honey. These 2 blues are pretty similar. And you got Wedding Veil and Icy Glitz. And then Vintage Lace and Little Pink Me Up. Okay. That took a lot longer than I thought it was. I rearranged my D&D polishes right there. And I'm running out of space. And I still have 2 Sweetie Nail Supply collections to unbox. So let's see what else I got. This is the Gin Bee Builder Gel. So this one is the standard. The yellow one is the standard. So it's more like for overlays. And then this green one is the one that I like to use. And my sister-in-law. My sister-in-law, like the heat of the gel, like it really bothers her. So I've been using this one, which came in a little bottle. And then I saw this was on sale, and as you can see, it says thick on here, which is this one. And this is what I use to do her gel structure nails. I'm super excited to try. I also got this Divock, I think this is the top coat. Yes. So this is the No Burn Clear Top Coat. Again, there's a theme here, trying to get non-burning gel. And then this came for free. This is from Nail Bio or Doi, how I like to say it. And this is a gel polish. Let's see. Okay, so it's, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. It's like has some shimmer to it, gold flecks. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, I like that. Ooh, that is perfect. This is like my type of shade right there. Do you guys see that? Okay. And then the last thing that I got from Sweetie Nails in that box is this collection. So if you guys have heard of the 4 Seasons, I wanted the whole kit. It's like over $400, but everybody bought it and it was sold out. So I had to buy it individually, which I guess it's okay. 25% off. Still would have gotten more off if I got the full set, but it's okay. So I got the fall collection. Guys, like these colors are perfect for fall. Oh, these are gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these now. Okay, so those were my Devox swatches. I hope that you guys liked them. I hope that my video didn't bore you. So now let's continue to the second Sweetie Nail Supply box.